Start off with your door, your rivet, your rivet gun. Open up the door. Take your door flat. Fold open the hinge a little bit. Carefully place it inside the slot. And make the hinge line up just behind the plate there. Okay. Open the door so that you can get in behind to feel the rivet go through the plate and the hinge. Okay. See the hinge back there? So you need that rivet to go through the hinge. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure when the rivet's in, you're going to make sure with your hand underneath that you can feel the rivet went through. And you'll hold the hinge behind. Then get your rivet gun. Same thing with the other one. Put your rivet through. It'll go through the plate. Be careful that the rivet doesn't push the hinge back. So you push the rivet and then it'll go through the hinge behind. And again, to check that you're not pushing the hinge back and that your rivet is fully through, you have to open the flap in order to get your hand behind. Because if it's closed, you can't get behind. So you need to open it in order to get your hand behind. And then you could feel that the rivet's through. And then you can rivet.